Yes, go ahead.
Yes, one of the questions that, things that, to keep it simple, just, let's say, because what I would do, like what I do, is usually I say, I have everything according to me. If I eat cheese, I usually just eat out. That's to keep it a little bit more simple, because I don't want to deal with the complications with it, just not to be in doubt. Is it just okay to do that? Like I'm learning all the holes, of course, for sure, just in case if something happens or if anything. But just to keep it simple, like for what I eat, is that okay?
It is okay, but I would say do not be afraid of it, and buy yourself like small stove, like they call it toaster oven something. So if you want to eat sandwich with and melt the cheese on top of it, or you bought a pizza and you wanted to warm it up. So like you don't need a lot, but some small electric appliance if you have room in your kitchen. If you don't, there's no obligation. Yeah, you understand? But a person should not feel like he's losing out something because he's keeping kosher, right? That's very important. Because if you learn the laws, it's not so complicated. We go into complications here because person put himself in that position. Of course, I mean, as I said, like if you have two separate stoves, one is electric, one whatever you prefer. Like if you eat most of the dairy and powder, so have some for meat, like small one. Sometimes you want to even in some things that you actually can cook in. That's it. So, and they're not expensive, and that's it. That's proper to have. But if you want to eat out, or you eat only cold dairy, for example, you eat only cold dairy, meaning milk or creamer, you put it in your coffee. Of course, you really need the stove, or you have a piece of cheese, slice of cheese to put in on a piece of bread, like this, no problem. You have cottage cheese, you have I don't know, yogurts. There is no problem whatsoever. They all cold. So
And if I I'm sorry.
and
If I
plus
grab a
okay.
sandwich, like say a sandwich with cheese, right? If I just grab aluminum foil and double wrap it, I don't know, wrap it from the bottom and then wrap it from the top so the steam doesn't come out. Is that okay?
Yes, yeah, it is okay, but again, it's preferable not to do that. So as we said, all of the things he's going on the border. So I mean, whatever he said, it's 100% allowed. But the way I feel, so people cannot concentrate, they stay focused. So it's only a matter of time until person makes mistake. Only matter of time. So, but what we have, we don't have a second stove, to tell you the truth, but we have a frying pan for dairy. And in this frying pan, you can do a lot of things. So you can melt your cheese in this frying pan. So you have piece of bread or pita, put on a frying pan, put on top of the cheese and melt it, and that's it. You can do omelet there. So some people like cheese omelet, omelet with milk. So if you have one frying pan, that should be like working out good for us. That's it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, so I mean, I think whatever he said, again, it's possible, but if you're not well organized, if you don't wrap it properly, so you can put yourself in difficult situations. And then this sense of eating the meat and milk together is going to be held against us, unfortunately, right? And you cannot say, no, it was unintentional. It was unintentional because we were not careful. That's intentional. You understand? So, or because we did not finish learning the laws. So, but again, if there is no other way, as he said, it's possible.